Lisa is supposed to be shooting a fish today, but I've been waiting a long time. I've been looking at little fishies and admiring them, and generally trying to keep out of trouble. Yes, it's a new concept for me, people. I'm not sure I like it. It is a bit boring, it is. Let's see how she's doing. Are you going to shoot something, or are you just going to yell trick or treat? I think she is thinking about it, finally. A watch kettle never boils. I better give her some space so she can bridge that empathetic conscience and kill a fish. Be very afraid, fish. I am very, very dangerous. Let's see how Lisa is doing. Still watching the fishies. Oh, bugger this. We promised some local gooners that we would make dinner for them, and we need fish. It is true, I followed Lisa for maybe 10 minutes and she's sitting in front of the fish, and the fish are having a picnic right in front of the spear gun, and then she comes up with the sleepy dog, no, the mopey dog expression. No, come on, do it. That's it. That's the expression. And then she says, they're too cute. Okay.
But they are.
Yeah, they are. It's true.
I can't shoot. Ooh. See? That's good that I didn't shoot another one. This is really big.
Yeah. You're welcome in the bloodbath. Literally a bloodbath. It's a lot of blood. Anyway, we've got enough for all of us. We're having, hopefully, dinner with the gooners. Making bread and having fish. We've got plenty.
I was really trying. I was trying to convince myself to shoot, and I couldn't. I couldn't pull the trigger.
Yeah. No comment.
I don't know. I can shoot a barracuda because he has a mean face.
Okay.
And I feel like he's mean to the other fish, so I can be mean to him.
Yeah.
But they...
Yes, he's mean. He's a meanie. Here we go with some nice fireside stories. I once saw a shark so big it could kill you just by looking at you. Weren't you scared? Did you freak out? Did you pee your pants?
You were so cool.
I wish I was just like you, Flucky. Of course, people, these are my translations and may put a burden on the English-Spanish translation more than it can possibly bear.
At the edge of the water.
You excited? Huh. Are you a bit tired, Possum?
Touch from the warm wind that's blowing in.
Now we thought we were going to look for octopus by walking in the shallows, but it turns out they were all going to snorkel. So I raced back to get the gear and in we went.
I don't know for how long I can carry on, pretending that everything's alright, and that it will be fine.
Snorkeling at night can be a bit spooky. On the Great Barrier Reef, every shark within 100 metres comes up to have a look, sometimes bumping into you. But here we didn't see any sharks whatsoever. Pity, I think they have been massacred as well, just like everything else we humans come into contact with.
The water to wash away the pain. The devil spread.
At one stage, I saw a large dog snapper come in, attracted to the light, and then two of the gooners raced off trying to shoot it. I was secretly on the dog snapper's side because I also think it's unfair to shoot at night. As you can see, the fish don't know what's happening at all. It makes me wonder though about how terrifying it would be to be a fish at night.
Is keeping
Alright, we're not really proper sailing. I thought I'd just do the first stage of going back. It's only 8 miles, but we might carry on. Is it a sad time?
Yes?
Do you have any other words besides yes?
Yes.
That's the same word, but in a different tone.
I know.
Can you do a little bit more description in any tone?
Don't do that. I don't know, it makes me sad to leave.
I know, once you get to know me, you get to love me.
Well, it's not particularly about you, but about the area.
Oh, I thought it was about me.
But maybe partially about you, yeah.
Really? You get that. I get that a lot, people. Actually, hardly ever. Especially from my wife. But anyway, sorry. Soon to be ex-wife.
Sorry.
Hope we don't hit a reef. So, you had a good time?
I did.
Did you learn anything?
Quite a bit.
You reckon?
I think so.
I didn't really teach much. We were just enjoying ourselves this trip, really, weren't we? Well,
Yeah, but I can teach myself.
yeah, well, that's true. So it's...
I did learn a couple of things about sailing.
Oh, yeah.
I did improve my breath hold capacity.
You did. I know that for sure. Yeah.
I got to learn how to be very...
You knew all.
Forward.
In the end, you got to know all the boat systems, which is basically switch off everything when the battery goes beep because we don't have any more power. We've come a long way since you had to steer in complete darkness to the compass when everything failed that night, haven't we?
We did.
Yeah.
I think now that wouldn't happen anymore.
No.
At least when we hear
Oh
the
no,
beep,
the
it
breakdown will
wouldn't.
happen.
Yeah, but if we hear the beep, we can stop it.
Yeah, perhaps. If we turn the motor on really quick within the first 10 seconds, it doesn't go
No,
through.
the last 10 times we made it. Except for the one time where we actually wanted to do it before, but then he actually forgot to turn the battery recharger itself on, so then the beep would start.
I don't know what she's talking about,
was
people.
already running.
I don't know what she's talking about.
And we were both confused because the boat was supposed to be recharging.
I don't know what she's talking about, people. I think we're coming up on a reef. I think I ought to pay attention. Anyway, so yeah, it's a bit of a sad time. Lisa's going. She picked up quite a bit. We saw a lot of stuff, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah.
We had lots of good times.
And then hopefully you guys enjoyed the videos. But Lisa is off to play with monkeys, to reintroduce them to the wild. She doesn't have to do that to this monkey. This monkey's already in the wild. And he's happy
hopeless.
where he is. What? Gee, I need a new crew. Now! New crew coming soon, people. Lisa doesn't like me saying this, but it's chick sailing. Chick sailing at its best, people. Look at that. It's just so easy. Yes, I'm trying to work out which fins I'm going to keep. And everything is out and drying, as you can see. And we'll anchor quickly, drop sail, anchor, clean up the deck, tie everything down, take the motor off the dinghy, and hopefully if this nor'easter, or it's a northerly, hopefully we'll go, well actually not hopefully, if it stays northerly and light, that's good, because we can build up our apparent wind. I don't want anything after the beam because it'll just slow us down, because I don't have, you know, a Jenica or anything like that. Alright, well, you're going to say goodbye?
Is it already time for goodbye?
I don't know, maybe we might forget to make another video.
Well, goodbye then.
Yeah. It's very emotive, isn't it? You're highly emotional. Good on you.
Well, I'm not emotional about them. I don't even know them.
It's a bit harsh, you see.
Is it?
We need new crew, don't we, people? Put it in the comments. I'll parcel them all together and I'll send them to Lisa. Alright, I gotta get back to paying attention. Magnificent sailing day. I know the deck's cluttered. I'm drying everything out. Then it's going to be put away before the storm comes up front. Well, he's hoping. Just a beautiful day though. But we might get a nice bit of rain and a southerly later on.
What do you want?
I don't know. You got any words of wisdom?
No, I'm not wise at all.
She is wise, people. She's always thinking. She's always got everything efficiently organised. Like a Swiss watch, she is. Which is sort of...
Not a fully compliment.
Last snorkel, Lisa.
Yeah.
You sad?
Yes. Sad about not being at the sea, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, it's a funny situation. You want to take that? Again, this is a bit like when I got hit by lightning. We've got a hurricane. I can't remember. Etna? Is it Etna?
There's a volcano in Italy.
Oh yeah, there's a hurricane just under Dominican Republic, and the winds are of course west here, so I have to wait for it to go east and hit Cuba for the winds to go more south. So we've got very, very light winds and they're on the nose. There's no point going like that. So we'll wait for hopefully Salvo tonight, and we'll leave. We've got to get back. Anyway, we've got to check on Santos. He's got some electrical problems, so we might be able to get him some gear when we're in Linton Bay. Okay, push it in. Here you go again. It hardly ever does that, people. Tohatsu's great, but sometimes we don't get it done on first pull. It's a drama. Well, not a drama, like a little drama. Like the other sailing vlogs, little drama. Not a proper drama like my vlog. Sorry, that's not a hit and dig at other people's vlogs. They're very good. They're way better than mine. They've got way more numbers. Maybe a little less drama would be better. What do you think, Lisa? Less drama?
Less drama?
Yeah.
I think we didn't have that much drama, except for the pineapples.
Yeah, I know, but overall, the vlog should have less drama, mate. And more like daiquiris and, you know, sitting on the boat with sunsets and stuff, no?
Well, that's what we did, didn't we?
Yeah, sort of. We did.
My impression of the time, you know?
Yeah.
Gotta remember it properly.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, top stuff. Well done. Hey, Santos. Aluminio? No?
Ah, sí.
Yeah? Okay. Gracias.
Buenos días.
Hola.
Buenos días.
Okay, what's the problem?
Ah, ok.
Problema?
Sí, dice el otro amigo velero que la batería está muy baja y yo lo cargué, pero no sube.
He said that the battery is very low.
Oh, yeah.
A guy from another sailboat said that,
Yeah.
and he doesn't know what to do now.
Okay.
Santos's battery has dropped a cell, so we will get him a good second-hand battery when in Linton Bay.
Linton, hoy en tarde,
Ah, ok.
preguntamos a los otros veleros si tienen una batería
Ah, ok.
para usted.
Yeah. Yo lo quito
Probably
después.
better over there. tell him if you have like a tiny shadow, it cuts it down by half.
With these solar panels, it's actually worse than that, but he should get the idea and move those solar panels. I'll get him some electrical cable as well to extend it to the sunny side of the roof.
All right, well, that's good. That's good. Okay.
Okay, pero te regalo eso.
He gives you a present.
Oh,
Okay.
muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. Okay, all right.
Yes,
Well,
yes.
Yeah,
All the people know that we love pineapples.
yeah, we do. Another gourmet meal from Lisa. Bloody good.
I'm gonna make you a list of all the things that you ought not to do
What?
in the first 2 weeks when Michaela's on the boat.
Oh, that's right, new crew. All right, give me a list. What, so she doesn't jump off and think I'm a madman?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
gotcha.
that she's not really scared of you.
This could be helpful, people. Female advice. All right, let's go. Let's hear it.
1. I don't care. She might.
All right,
Helpful advice.
all right. 1. Got
2.
it. Done that at least 3.5 hours. Yep. What else? How long's this list? I don't know if we've got enough battery.
I think we don't.
All right, keep going.
This is not
What about?
what I don't like about you. This is just what you ought not to do
Okay.
when she first arrives.
Okay. Gotcha.
Not the same.
Anyway, I'm gonna shut up now. I'm gonna say, yep, cut. Oh, oops. Whoops. Sorry. And we'll stop it there. Top stuff. I think I need you, crew. What do you love about me the most? Okay, like. Let's not go overboard. Might have a hard enough time just doing the like. All right.
I mean, in general, you are rather a funny person. I like your humor.